What up, my road dogs? Today we're talking about how to use the Desmos graphing calculator, kind of just to set up, the basics on it, right? So you're going to go to desmos.com, right? DESMOS, okay? And then you got two options here. There's a scientific calculator, which is great, right? Perfect. This is also a free app on iPhone and Android. Very convenient for doing the calculations. And then there's also the graphing calculator app, which is also a free app and very convenient. It's available on any browser and on any phone. They're both separate apps, or they are separate apps. The scientific calculator versus the graphing calculator, but we're going to use the graphing calculator today. So the idea here, to start out, just to make it a little kind of easier to see, click the wrench, click the big A so it makes things bigger. I like to do reverse contrast, but up to you. Let's just stick with that reverse contrast today. Take away the minor grid lines and then go to step for your X and step for your Y. So that way it gives you a grid on each one. It doesn't like skip 2 to 4 or whatever. Okay, so you got this. You can put all sorts of things in here. You can put points on here, like so. Right, you can label it kind of however you want to. You can change the label to be point A prime if you need to. All sorts of different stuff, right? But if you're like making you can zoom in, you can zoom out, right? You can zoom out into huge increments here, right? But anyway, we don't want to do that, right? So if I want to put a shape on here, right? Easiest way to do it is to go to plus and then put a table, right? And then if this gives you a table, you can put your X and Y values in. So if I want to put a triangle on here, it's going to be 2,3, boom, adjust it there. And then I'll go to the next one. Oh yeah, let's see, I'll put it at 4, 7, 7, and then I'll go to, let's say 6, 1. Okay, and then I'll click on this little thing right here. Just kind of hold and click it, and then I can add lines to it. So that way it kind of makes that shape. But you'll notice that it only connects those 3 points. It doesn't go back to the original point. So what you can do is you can just go to the next one and then add the original point back in at that first point, and that way it'll connect the triangle. So if you're ever doing anything like that, that's how you can kind of make a shape in Desmos. So it's a very cool app. You can put in really any equation you want in here, right? You can graph it. You can do parabolas. You can do, let's see, kind of a circle. Yeah, you can. I'm trying to remember X squared plus Y squared is equal C. No, anyway, yeah, you can do all sorts of kind of crazy stuff in here. So, so if you need to use Desmos, that's kind of like a little primer on it. Again, wrench, make it bigger, take away minor grid lines, and put the step to 1 for X and Y. Reverse contrast looks like that. That's kind of like dark mode. Anyway, there you go. Thank you.